Over time, the webbing on your chair cushions becomes dried out and stretched out. Today, I'll show you how to repair that without removing your chair fabric. The materials needed for this repair are 7/16" OSB plywood, 1 3/8 inch by 1/16 inch punched flat bar, 3/16 inch fender washers, and number 10 3/4 inch wood screws. You're going to want to turn your chair over and remove the 4 screws that are holding your cushion on. Draw a line underneath your chair on the 2 sides so that you know how far your flat stock can go without interfering with reinstallation of the cushion. Turn your chair cushion over, protect the fabric, and measure to create a template for what you will need to fill the opening. You will also need to measure the thickness of the existing plywood. Once you have your measurements, transfer them onto your plywood. Cut your template out. Mark your flat bar to ensure that it's not longer than the opening you have on the bottom of your chairs. Cut your flat bar at your mark. Place the cutout into the bottom of the chair cushion and evenly space your flat stock. Secure with the screws and washers. Make sure the screw is to the farthest outside edge of the hole in your flat stock. This ensures that there will be no sagging in your flat stock. Now all you have to do is tighten your 4 screws in your corners. That's it. You're all set, and your chair now feels firm like when it was new.